Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. My name is David A. Qua and welcome to my YouTube channel, your source for the hottest, nastiest, most filthiest videos on YouTube. Today we're going to take a look at my Black Friday 2018 haul video. That's right. What did I buy for Black Friday this year? I went to Walmart, I went to Target, I went to Easy Pawn, Half Price Books, and GameStop. And yeah, I went to Best Buy, checked out what was there, but they didn't have anything. Just FYI, I did not go like Thursday night when they first opened. I didn't wait in line and stuff like that. I was trapped, man. I was trapped with my family. They were like having Thanksgiving dinner and love and talking to each other and catching up with relatives and friends and family getting all together and stuff. Oh man, I was so trapped, you know. I just got the leftovers. It's funny because people were commenting on my Black Friday ads videos and they were like, David, don't worry. They'll stock it up all day. They never run out of this stuff. And if you want, you just go online and buy them. F you. It was sold out online. It was sold out in the store. I missed out on a lot. There were so many things I wanted. I wanted this stack to be bigger and that stack to be bigger. I want to get something from Best Buy and stuff like that. I couldn't, man. They run out. Unless you live in one of the top 5 cities in the United States, you have no argument against me. Unless you live in Chicago, New York City, or Los Angeles, I don't want to hear what you have to say about, you know, oh, I went to Black Friday shopping, I got everything I wanted and nothing was sold out and there was not a lot of people waiting in line in front of me and stuff like that. Oh my gosh. I live in Houston, Texas, the 4th most populated city in the United States. Oh my gosh. So I just got the leftovers here. I couldn't get everything I wanted. There's a lot of things I wanted. I was like going online and stuff like that too, you know? And everything was sold out. So whatever. Let's go ahead and see what I got, okay? At Walmart, I got Resident Evil 7. I couldn't believe it, man. Like, someone dropped it. It was like right underneath one of the shelves and whatever. But it wasn't like in the main area. I was like about to walk out with all these other stuff, and I was like, oh, I gave up on Resident Evil 7. There it was on the ground. So there it is. Resident Evil 7 Biohazard. I got the PS4 version because I want to try out the VR if I ever get a PlayStation VR. Okay, I have that option. Oh, I have one VR game. Cool. Okay, I know the Chris Redfield DLC add-on is free. I already downloaded it without even the full game. So looking forward to playing that someday. Okay. I got Justice League. I haven't gotten this packaging yet. You couldn't believe it, man. Here, let me show it to you. So I got this version of the DVD. This is the one I got on Black Friday. Probably going to leave it in the plastic because I already got this DVD. I got the 4K Ultra HD. I got the regular Blu-ray. I bought this when it first came out. I bought that full price. And I got the Digibook, which the 3D lenticular cover. There's the Blu-ray disc. It's even got this booklet inside, the art of the film. It's got all these pictures and behind-the-scenes stuff and concept art and costumes and stuff like that. Yeah, pretty cool. There's more out there. There's like the Steelbook versions and stuff like that. Like, Justice League is like the Twilight movies to me. I'm going to buy every single version out there, you know? So, yeah. If you haven't seen my Twilight collection video, I got like 7 versions of the first movie and stuff like that. And Step Up, too. I love... Step Up 3 is my favorite movie of all time. So, I got every single version of that movie, too. Okay. We got the complete 4th season of Gotham. I've been wanting this. $10, man. $10 at Walmart. Here. Let's get the rest of the collection out. Okay. It's Gotham Season 3. I watched these on TV, so I never bothered to open them, you know? There. I got this from a previous Black Friday. I never opened it, because I already saw the episodes on TV. But if I ever want to watch it again, there it is. There it is. Cool, huh? So we got Gotham. Gotham and Supergirl are the only 2 shows I really follow from the... Like, I stopped watching Flash. I stopped watching Arrow. I never gave Black Lightning a chance and stuff. But, yeah. Supergirl and Gotham are 2 shows, 2 DC shows I still watch on TV. Oops. spoilers right there. Okay. Deadpool 2. I know what you're thinking. Hey, David, there's a Blu-ray version with an extended cut of the movie and stuff like that. F you, was sold out. Only got the DVD. Screw it, right? But it was like, what, $6? Deadpool DVD, $5.96. Okay. So I haven't seen Deadpool 2 yet. I missed out in theaters. I was working too much, but there it is. I'll watch Deadpool 2, the theatrical version. I know there is a Blu-ray version of it, and I know there was an extended version of it. It was on sale, by the way, but it was not existent in any of the stores. I was like going to Target, Walmart, Best Buy. Yeah, I didn't have it, so I just dealt with the DVD, and I got Jingle All the Way. Whatever, it's like $2. Okay. This is a movie I've always seen every year. I got the VHS of it, and that's all I watch. It's nice to have the DVD. This one actually includes the extended director's cut of the film, which I've never seen. So cool. All right. What did I get at Target? I already seen the movie. Here's the plastic that was in. 30 minutes of special features. I got Ocean's 8. I already saw the movie. I saw it just a few hours ago, actually, when I made this video. Okay. I enjoyed it. I like the, you know, it is connected to all the other Ocean's movies. You know, they have characters come back and stuff like that for cameos and whatever. And I really like the story. It's a really good story, man. I like the new team right there. My favorite character is probably Rihanna's character. And Anne Hathaway's character, too. They were cool. Looking forward to a new one, man. I hope they make another one. Ocean's 9 or whatever. Then I went to Easy Pawn. You couldn't believe what I bought these games for. $5 each for used video games. Yeah. What I get for $5? Star Wars Battlefront 2. Yeah. I've already played some of it already. You can see live streams of it on YouTube and such. Okay. So I already finished this. I actually bought this. When did I buy this? 11/14, like 2 weeks ago. Okay. So there it is. Star Wars Battlefront 2. $5. It was like $15-ish. Those are the Black Friday sales. And I got Far Cry Primal. I just completed this one too, like yesterday. There it is. $5. I believe at GameStop they had this for like $14.99 or something. So for $5, that's a good deal for me. Okay, Half Price Books. Half Price Books, they had, I totally missed out, man. For the first 100 people who line up at Half Price Books, they get like a $5 gift card. I couldn't get it, man. There were so many people lined up at Half Price Books. Like, if Half Price Books had that many people, think of how many people, like, I wish I took videos, man, like last night or something. But Half Price Books, they had 20% off the whole store, so I just got some stuff here. $2 mangas, okay? So we got here Alice in the Country of Hearts, Wonderful Wonder World, okay? I haven't read this, but it was in the $2, well, it's like $160 with the sale, okay? It was in the clearance area, and plus these, I couldn't believe it. $2, man, $2 each, but $160, Attack on Titan, okay? We got Volume 8, Volume 9, Volume 11, and Volume 4. I just got these just because they were there, you know? And I do enjoy the anime here. I'll show you. Anime's right here. I got the movies, and I got the actual show. I even got that Junior High series also. Okay, I really enjoy Attack on Titan. Looking forward to the new season when it comes out on DVD and Blu-ray. Okay, that's what I got. Very cheap. Did you believe that I bought all this? If you did, haven't been on my YouTube channel for very long. Okay, this is stuff I've already owned for so long. The only thing I bought. Whoa! The only thing I bought was Final Fantasy 15. for $7.19. They had God of War for $17. They ran out, man. I was like, could I get a pre-owned version? No, we don't have those either. We're actually selling the pre-owned versions for the sale price and stuff like that. So whatever. I got Final Fantasy 15 here. It says Royal Edition, but it's just the regular standard edition of the game. Here, a giveaway, man, a giveaway. You can have my product registration code for Square Enix purchases. Okay, so there it is. There's the free giveaway in my video. The game's in here. Okay, I will play it. It takes a whole day to download 17 gigs. If I was still living in Kansas, where the houses have, you know, there's just better internet, just less people using internet, you know, in Kansas versus here in Texas. So it takes like a whole entire day, 24 hours, no, 25 hours, just to download 17 gigs. Think about that. Just think about that. So I'll play this tomorrow. Okay? I'll play it tomorrow. And that is my haul for Black Friday this year. Hope you enjoyed the giveaway. I don't know who will use this code. But yeah, thank you for watching. Rate, comment, favorite, and subscribe. Talk guys later, and I'll see you for Black Friday next year. Bye-bye.